Hey there! Today we are diving into an interesting problem involving filtering a vector with ordered negative and positive values. The challenge here is to keep all positive values while retaining only the last third of the negative values. Quite a unique problem to tackle, right? Now, let's talk about the solution provided. The approach here involves utilizing base R functions to achieve the desired result. By using the floor and ceiling functions along with sequence manipulation, we are able to filter out the specific portion of negative values in the vector. The code snippets provided showcase how this can be done efficiently, ensuring that only the required values are retained. Continuing with the solution, the creation of the vector x and the corresponding data frame x is essential for implementing the filtering process. By structuring the data appropriately, we set the foundation for accurately obtaining the final output. This step is crucial in ensuring that the filter operates on the correct set of values, delivering the desired outcome flawlessly. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of filtering a vector based on a specific proportion of negative values. By strategically leveraging base R functions and setting up the data frame effectively, we've achieved the desired result with elegance. I hope you found this solution insightful and helpful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below to let me know your thoughts.